Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So just a quick video to let you know about something that I've picked up online doing some research about Microsoft saying that it's paying close attention to user feedback. And I think this has been quite an annoyance with a lot of users of Windows and Microsoft products, that they request features that Microsoft either brings back from Windows 10 and push them back into Windows 11 or into some of the apps and services, and that it causes user frustration when Microsoft does not listen. And to some extent or the other, Microsoft app does seem to be out for tea. Now, this is all according to this post on X, where Microsoft's insider program head, Brandon LeBlanc, as you may well know, says, "I can feel this post in my bones." And then here's where it starts to get a bit interesting. This user says, "I have a deep urge to tell you that I hated Windows more and more from 8 onwards. 10 was slightly better. 11 is pure horror." Those are some strong words. "To the point that I bit the bullet and switched to Fedora more than a year ago, and I'm not coming back." Okay, so in response to that, thank you for sharing your deep urge. Sorry to hear we lost you with Windows 11. Hopefully in time we can bring you back to Windows, but Fedora is my favorite Linux distro. A good choice. So, head of Insider Program, Brandon LeBlanc, his favorite distro is Fedora. And I've seen that's quite a popular choice in the comments on this channel as well. Now, here's some of the issues that the user describes: privacy, bloat, performance, bugs, UI, UX sums it up pretty much. Start menu search used to be fast and snappy. Some things, control panel improved a bit from Windows 10 to 11, but other than that, boy, there's some work ahead of y'all. Okay, so Microsoft says, "I think we can do it. I do appreciate your honesty, so thank you." And here's an interesting one. "I appreciate that again. I do hope we can work hard to improve Windows and bring you on back." So here's the interesting bit. "I do hope we can work hard to improve Windows." Now, although that's a positive move that somebody at Microsoft has actually acknowledged they can improve Windows, why would they need to improve it when we have moved from 10 to 11, thinking 11 would be a better operating system? And with 11, in a lot of cases, all Microsoft has been doing is reintroducing features they already had in Windows 10 back into Windows 11, which they stripped out, which users now want back. Now, a couple of these would be, just one or two, this isn't a comprehensive list by any means, regarding Microsoft listening to feedback, is they are moving a lot of the control panel settings into the Settings app, as you may well know. And I've posted on this quite in depth. Although control panel still has a lot of the old settings, I personally prefer control panel, but a lot of users want most of the control panel settings in the Settings app, the more modern Settings app. And according to user feedback, Microsoft is bringing out a major redesign for the Start menu due to user feedback. And I have posted on that, and I'll leave a video of that link down below and in the end screen. So you're going to have different layouts in the new Start menu. You'll be able to remove once and for all this recommended section. Check the video out. And that I'm very happy for, because that's been my feedback as well. And the new Start menu will actually adjust its size according to your display and your resolution. Now, I'm kind of still on the fence with that one, because what I would personally want Microsoft to do, and I think a lot of other users, is just the ability to be able to resize the current Start menu to your own personal choice and preference. I only have 5 items pinned in my Start menu. All I want is this section to be opened when I open my Start menu. That's it. I don't need all this real estate wasted, which doesn't look that great, to be quite honest with you. And although to some extent Microsoft is listening to feedback, let me know your thoughts in the comments regarding that. Another big request for Microsoft is to be able to move the taskbar in Windows 11 which once again you can do on Windows 10 and most Linux distros, if not all. And Microsoft's still not wanting to budge on that one. No word of that whatsoever. So I thought that was interesting, that post on X. Let me know your thoughts. Is Microsoft listening to feedback? And what are your thoughts on Microsoft's Insider Program head using Fedora? So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.